Today I'm unboxing something from Mamaearth. Let's see what it is there. Wow, two beautiful products from Mamaearth for my children. The first one, this is foaming face wash for kids. It's looking so good, transparent in color, and this is for kids, and it is tear free. 5 to 10 years kids can use this, and the main ingredient is coconut and aloe vera, and it is dermatologically tested. And the price of this product is 349 rupees. You just see the product. It has got a very nice packaging. Mamaearth always gives this sort of illustrations, and it has a pump spray bottle. Let's see the fragrance. It's a foamy one, you can see, and it will look like this. Wow, it's so nice. It's so nice. I'm sure the children will love this. And what more? And it's 120 ml jar, and with the price of 349 rupees, guys. I'll talk about the second one. This is Mamaearth Berry Blast toothpaste for kids. It's a 50-gram package. This is for 12 months plus old babies, and this is totally SLS and fluoride free, as you can see, and 100% natural. And it is written here that it is made safe. Let's see the price of this product. Yeah, it is 149 rupees and 50 gram in quantity. As you can see, it's just fitting into my palm, so you'll have the idea that how, what is the size actually, because sometimes when we are shopping online, it is very difficult for us to judge. So this is, you just see that this is the seal I'm opening, and let's see the color. It's totally again transparent in color, because I guess this is kids product, so they are not using any artificial colors. Let me take the fragrance of it. Wow, lovely strawberry fragrance it has. So I'm sure that all kids will love this. Look at the packaging, it's so good. And as I said that the price of this product is 149 rupees. I hope that your kids will enjoy this. So this two are the product from Mamaearth. See you next time with some other unpacking video.